In the previous tutorial on GoHighLevel, we already show you how to create a website with GoHighLevel. And in this tutorial, we will show you how to create a form. In here, when you click Contact Us, you can see there is unable to find form. Then we can create a form, then attach on this page. Okay, how to do that? Go to your dashboard on your GoHighLevel. After that, just click Sites. After you click Sites, select the form, and in here you can create a folder. For example, you can create folder test for your form, so it's tedious. After you create a folder, for example, you can just open the folder and click add form like this. You can start from scratch for the form or just using templates. The easiest way, you can just using form templates. Okay, because this is a very basic to learning how this form can achieve. Okay, for example, this is contact us and this is sign up. For example, we will using the contact us and we can click continue here. Adding template. Okay, for the typography and etc here. After that, you can see this is your contact form. Include full name, email, phone, message, and send button here. And let's change the style, okay, to looks like this our website. For example, this is using silver or gray color. We can just click this to style and options. Okay, you can select color and backgrounds, for example here, and this is for the color. To see our websites and see the colors, we can right click and choose inspect. This is the trick how you can similar the color. For example, you can select anywhere for a color here and you can using the picker and click like this and you will find the similar color for your website and select the color and change in here. You can paste the color so the background will match for our websites. Okay, the contact us is better using black for the font and send button is better using, okay, we can using another theme, for example like this. Okay, I think this is good. To change the placeholder, you can just directly edit in here or select in properties here. You can also add label, for example, your name like this. Okay, this is for label. You can see there. And this is email, for example. And we don't need this label, let it by default. Okay. Now, everything is enough actually for our contact form. But you can using another field if you want. You can using full name like this or change to first or last name or using phone in here. And we need to set all the field is required. So the visitor must fill this contact form before they can send this message. Okay, and this is required also. Then we can click save after we done with our form. Now we can click integrate. Okay, we can have the embed code. You can add anything on your website with embed code. You can see you can copy to clipboard. But if you already integrate or save, actually we can showing on our website with the form field. We can also share to get just the URL. If you open from link here, you can see this is your forms looks like. Okay. Then we can back to our sites and go to our websites. Because we already create a form, we can just go to our website here and select this and select the contact us page. Just click edit. Okay, after you click edit, wait until the designer is completed open. Then you can see here, this is the form field. We can add the form by just clicking this, and we can select the form. Okay, element name is form, and you can see we can select contact us, and this is our looks like. Let's just remove this. We can just click add the form, just type form in here, and you will find the form in here. Just you can drag and drop, and we can select our form. This is the contact us. Okay, now it is the same, and we can click save, and we can click update and click publish. Don't forget here. After that, we can just reopen, okay, or reload our contact us. Now you can see this is our websites. Now have a contact us form. Okay, you can also creating pop-up, and we will show you in the next tutorial how we can create a pop-up, and you can even embed the calendar or also the form. I think it's enough how we can create a form in GoHighLevel. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get the update about GoHighLevel tutorial. Hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching.